Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm giving you a tour of my studio. And as you can see, this is my desk. This is my standing desk. This is my pasta machine. And this thing here, this guillotine thing, is a cane slicer. And as you can see, I have several bits and bobs on my table. Lots of brushes and a syringe. So what's next? On the floor, yeah, this is weird, isn't it? The cat is at the moment not in the bag, but usually she likes to sleep either on it or in it. She's quite attached to me, so most of the time she's actually in this room. Today she isn't, she is sleeping on the bed. Oh, what have we got here? I don't want to open it right now, but I tend to keep all my acrylic paints and a few pencils in this, and it's also a nice little table easel. Behind this cloth is actually, it's basically just a chest of drawers with our bed linen and our towels, because this is actually just an ordinary room, and when we have guests they tend to sleep here on an inflatable bed. So on top of it, it's a bust I use for my photos. As you can see, I have got more acrylic paints and all sorts of other stuff in that box. So yeah. Some of these boxes contain my sculptures, and this thing is for another project tutorial. This box has also a lot of finished and half-finished pieces in it. And I actually do have a nice chair, although I don't really use it much. It's very comfortable. And you can see there's also a set of headphones I never use. Yeah, what else can I show you? This is my guitar. I don't actually play, I should do. I used to play when I was younger. Just an ordinary cupboard where we keep our coats and whatnot. And my husband keeps all his rucksacks in there as well. So, what else? Oh, I haven't shown you this. Sorry about this. This is a caddy with loads of different things, different supplies. So we've got tools and glues. Oops. Oh, this is not easy to talk and to actually show you stuff. So let's try this. So lots of tools I use. And again, we've got cutters and all sorts of stuff in here. These are all texture sheets. And then we've got lots of different things here, like gilder's paste, set of tools, which is actually for sugar work. I have never used them. And here's some foils and mica powder. Yeah, so all the stuff I tend to use for my work. Then we've got these drawers, again, more stuff in it. So I keep all my bits and pieces, lots of pens in there, scissors. Yeah. Yeah, you might recognize these from some of my videos. My light bulbs, they're quite useful. even more stuff here. I've got a lot of craft stuff, so it kind of accumulates over the years. So yeah, I've got a little stereo here, which was a gift from my husband, so I could listen to my favorite music. And oh, and I also have a radio. I often listen to BBC Six radio because they tend to broadcast some good music. Right. And this is actually quite new. My husband put these up last year, I think. So not so new. And I might want to have another set of shelves for this side of the room. Yeah, lots of books, lots of art books, art materials. Lino cutting is something I want to do. That's my pasta motor next to it, my pencil sharpener. And those boxes, there are more sculptures in there and my journals. Then yeah, here more art stuff. My Faber-Castell pencils, because I really like Faber-Castell. And in these boxes I've got some of my jewellery and other stuff in there. More boxes, lots of boxes. So these are all filled with art and crafts materials. This one has my packaging out of the sun, because what happened a few years ago, I didn't store them correctly and some of the boxes faded and it looked really awful and I couldn't really use them anymore. And yeah, in this caddy I have mostly polymer clay. And oops, that was my finger, sorry about this. As you can see, I've got some cutters in there. I store mostly my K2 poly clay in there. Oops. These are actually dessert rings. I bought them to make bangles with these. This is mostly for my Primo. And I've got some of these, some molds. And this drawer, this is all precious metal clay stuff. So PMC and art clay, and I've got the tools in there as well in these wraps. So that's that. And more random stuff, yeah. Like these. Stickers. I've got some bags in here. These are used for sending things. I use these mostly for earrings. You might recognize this. This is my wet palette, which I made a video about. And all these contain opened clays. So we've got them organized in brands, so I know what I'm using, because each brand has a different curing temperature. And this is, again, this box contains lots of art stuff. Sketchbooks, mostly. Some art tutorials, and also old calendars as inspiration, like this one. So I'm not going to open this. Some more CDs. That's my camera in there, my big camera for my photos. Yep. So I think that's almost it. And this is just one room I'm working in. Oh yeah, you can see behind there, that's my photo tent. I'm using that for my photos. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this little tour. I will make another little tour video next time when I actually cleared the conservatory, because I do work there as well. I tend to mostly work with silver there, and there's also my kiln and other stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.